A pleasant day to you, Ma'am and Sir. I am Leia Gohangna from Umila, Glamut, Ifugao. I was born in May 24, 1994. I am 31 years old. I am single. I finished my college degree taking up Bachelor in Agricultural Technology. I work in the Philippines from 2021 to 2025. I serve one couple and two children ages 5 years old and 8 months old. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, cooking, doing laundry and marketing, and taking care of the children. I am willing to take good care of a newborn baby and willing to teach them how to read and write in English. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for myself and for my family. To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, I promise to do my very best to do my duties and responsibilities to you as my employer. As well, I promise to finish my contract to you as my employer. Ma'am and Sir, I am looking forward to work with you, Ma'am and Sir. Thank you very much.